We will learn now how to add new lessons. Let's assume I am logged in as an instructor, and if I go to check my courses, for example, this is my course where I'm going to the edit mode, and I will go to the edit mode where I can do the editing for the description that we did previously. Description, this is the area we said that it will be shown to the public. Now we will be working with the curriculum area. This is where you can create and delete lessons. So right now I have several lessons. Let's assume that I'm going to delete some of them. Let's delete some of them so I can show you how to create the lessons one more time. Okay, so I'm deleting. Okay. Now, to create the lessons, this is very important. You have to mention the name of the lesson, for example, lesson 2, and as I said, to make it unique from other lessons, you have to write the same name of the course, and then you hit enter. Now you created the second lesson. Let's create another lesson. Let's say lesson number 3. Enter. So now we created 2 lessons, but they are empty. Let's create some kind of content for the lesson 2. I will go to the edit part. I don't have to worry about this part. Okay, I will go to lesson setting right away, and you can see here the lesson type is, we'll select as a Zoom. You can select a different type if your course is only video, but for us, most of the lessons will be as Zoom. So I will go to Zoom. I will set the starting date of the class. Let's assume, for example, 12 p.m. Very important to select the time zone where you are in. For example, I'm in Hawaii, for example. Wherever you are, you have to set the right time zone, and you set the parameters that you normally set in any Zoom class. You can control it from here, and you put your password. For example, this is my password for Zoom class, and you can attach any materials related to this lesson. For example, I will attach some files, some PDF files, for example. For example, I can take some PDF files here. You can have up to 20 megabytes of files. For each lesson, you can attach the file. As we said before, also you can attach a course. When we did the description part, you can attach a file for the course in general. But this is for specific lessons. Once I'm done, I can hit save. Now, if you want to make, this is very, very important, if you want to make this course for preview, which means the public will see it without paying, we normally recommend that you set your first session as preview, so student can attend the first session, and if they like the course, they can register. So I will say save. Okay, so now this lesson is saved. Okay, let's do the same for lesson 3. Edit. I will go to lesson 3. I will do the same. Lesson time, Zoom. I will set the date for the lesson. For example, I will make it any dates that you will be scheduling your course. You set all the parameters as we did before. Actually, you can set the duration. For example, here I'm going to make it 60 minutes. We forgot to set it before, but you can set it here. How long is it? In any case, Zoom session will continue to be open. It will not terminate, but just for indicator on how long the session will be. And again, this is where you set your preview if you want to make preview, and this is where you attach files. I will say save. So in that case, we created 3 lessons. It is very important once you set up your lesson that you go and you do update course. If you don't do this, all this work will not be saved. So I will do the update. Now, once I update it, it will take me back to the control panels. I can check the curriculum, and you can see that these are 3 lessons and this one is preview. Now let's see how it looks like from student perspective. Let us see now what kind of information the student will see, or a new user of the website will see when they go to your course now after you created your classes. I will go to the same course that we were working on. Remember, now if you are not registered yet, I will go to the course. As you can see, I will go to the curriculum, and you can see there is one lesson that is preview, which means I can go and attend. I don't have to pay. So let's go and preview. You can see that I can go and see and join this class, and if I decide I like it, I can register and pay for it. Let's assume I did not pay, but I want to attend lesson 2. When I go to lesson 2, now I have to pay, and if I have to pay, I have to register as a normal user of the course. And in that sense, it will open the courses, the rest of the lessons once I complete the payment. So if I payment, then I have to register and I will become a legal student.